Hi everyone. Today I will guide you about another exciting feature of BuyMyStuff app that will surely benefit both the buyers and sellers. I am talking about revolutionary video-based shop interface that is designed for interactive window shopping. First, let's see how this video-based shop interface will benefit the buyers. As the trend of online shopping is rising to its peak, this video-based shop interface will help buyers to explore every product, service, or shop to its fullest. For this, you have to click on Videos for You, and then you get to see a realistic preview of products. So, no more the buyers have to rely on static images and product descriptions. Instead, through the video-based gallery, they can make more informed decisions. Also, it saves time and effort by allowing buyers to quickly access their favorite products without going to the physical store. Now, let's see how this will help the sellers. This window shopping feature acts as the seller's marketing tool to promote their shop, products, and services. Based on video-driven social media, like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook video feeds, you can see how many people viewed, liked, and commented on your videos. Moreover, this helps sellers market their business and showcases their products in all 3D dimensions that eventually increase sales and boosting revenue. I hope this video tutorial will help you understand this revolutionary video-based shop interface. Embrace the future of online shopping and revolutionize the way you buy and sell.